This is actually the hasty edition, ARM version 6. Okay, in here we need to first edit our source list. So the way we do that is up here. We type. Let me just unplug the. Okay. What I have noticed is my charger connector is kind of loose. I don't know if that's just a feature of the way it was manufactured or whatnot. Okay, in here we're going to type SUDL space LEF. I'm sorry. LEFPAT. LeafPad is like a notepad editor that you can use, and the location of the file is going to be /etc/apt/source. Now, in Linux, you can actually, if you know or just want to type the first characters of a letter, like S-O, okay, you can actually just use the tab. It speeds things up a lot fast. So, tab. And because this is the only file that begins with SO, it's going to pull up the whole file. Otherwise, you might have to type more characters to get it to define the exact file, but it's a really useful feature. I'm going to hit enter. And what that's going to do is I'm going to bring up LeafPad with that file in it. Okay, what we're going to modify is, let me maximize this. Okay, what we need to modify is a couple of places. First thing is here. Let's remove this HH Tech. I'm only removing it because I've found that generally it has more problems when trying to update. Okay, let's go through and check everything else. Okay, the other thing we're going to remove is just Ubuntu. And this IP. It appears as though they might have had this pre-configured to go to a server at the manufacturer's location when they were building the firmware version. What we're going to do is we're going to point it to a repository that's on the internet for the Mojo project. So let's go and put in the repository, which is REP repository dot handheld RE. Okay, so HANDHELDS .org. If you're not sure about the repository name, or you want to add additional repositories for this to look for software updates and other applications, you can add them additionally. Just go to the end of the line, hit enter, start a new line, and begin it with either dev or dev/source. But currently we just need this one. Okay, double check what I'm doing. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, now what we do is we close this program. Now it's going to ask us, do we want to save changes? You can click the green checkbox. Voila. The source list is now modified with the appropriate repository. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll type SUDO Actually, let me pause right here.